Well, I couldn't find a fish, and honestly I don't care. I'm gonna go and have a beer under the car there. But you know what, let's get a bird's eye view. So there you go guys, there's the aerial view. Forgive my drone skills, I'm only a learner. But yeah, what a magic spot, Wharton Beach. If you get a chance, get down here. Just beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Tight lines. See you next time.